ready to turn those market insights into action. Let's learn how to execute trades directly on TradingView. First things first, you need to link your chosen brokerage account. Head over to the Broker and Alarms tab, usually found on the right-hand side panel. Click on Broker Connections and select your broker from the extensive list. You'll then be prompted to log in securely with your brokerage credentials. This seamless integration allows you to trade without leaving TradingView. Once your broker is connected, locate the Trade panel. This is typically at the bottom of your screen. If it's not visible, you can usually reveal it by clicking on the Trade icon or a similar button. This panel is your command center for placing trades. Within the Trade panel, you'll see the current asset you're viewing on your chart. To trade a different asset, simply type its symbol in the designated field. Next, choose your order type for instant execution at the current market price. Select Market Order. If you want to specify a particular price, opt for a limit order and enter your desired entry price. Now, determine the quantity of the asset you wish to buy or sell. This could be in units, currency amount, or percentage of your account. Once you've set your price and quantity, simply click the Buy or Sell button. Depending on your trading direction, a confirmation window will appear, allowing you to review your order before it's sent to your broker. After execution, your trade will appear in the Orders or Positions tab, usually within the same trade panel. Here, you can monitor your open trades, see your profit or loss in real time, and manage your positions. You can also set stop loss and take profit levels directly from this panel, helping you manage risk and secure profits efficiently. And that's how you efficiently place and manage trades directly on TradingView. This streamlined process ensures you can capitalize on market opportunities with speed and precision. Happy trading!